Hi, I'm Marco, welcome to Barista, and you could consider this the third part of our portable coffee maker set of videos. And we're not going to pull a shot with this, but we wanted to tell you the reasons why we liked the Pixapresso and why it's in the range at Barista. And we'll kick off straight away and say that Waccaco were one of the first to bring out portable coffee makers, but back then you had to add hot water to them. So the Pixresso is one that again heats cold water, gives you a lovely fresh brew. And one of the reasons why we liked it, there's no particular order to this, is that it doesn't really need a stand either. If you are traveling and out and about, you can actually angle it so it sits on top of a cup as well. And it's just an easy, nice feature that we found whilst using it. Another good feature about this is that it's about a 2 to 3 minute heat up as well. To add to part of its charm and also its portability is this. Look at this. It's approximately 750 grams, so it's quite lightweight for what it does for you. And it's a bit like a Russian doll. It's very neat and very well put together, the design. Take this all out. You can see you've even got a more mini cup, and you've got an adapter here that easily pushes out, so it steps it up for a single dose, or you don't need that, and then you've got a double dose as well. So it's fantastically thoughtful. It's more plastic, but you do have a metal kind of mesh shower screen there, and or basket, should I say. That's your pressurized shower screen. And this is one of the features that we like the most. I don't know if you can see this in here. You can fit 120 ml into the Pixapresso. So this will give you kind of like a lovely little long black or Americano on that winter's dog walk, or if you're out in the springtime, which it is now, playing golf or fishing or whatever it might be, when you're out and about, you've got a nice volume of coffee to drink from the Pixapresso. So another real cool feature about the Pixapresso is you do a long press, you can turn it on, and you can control it all by this lovely little touch display, whereas you don't need an app. Some people don't like an app. Here you've got all the control. I don't know if you can see, this is the volume, and when I press it, this is how it delivers the amount of volume that I'm asking for. Very nice and easy. That's the actual heat up. So if you put in cold water in, it'll heat up first. That's then your actual extraction. That's your go button, your charge. And here, this is if you want to make audible beeps or not when you swipe. That's your pre-infusion. Your brew temperature, again, you can adjust that, 88 to 96. We'll leave it at 92 there. Your degrees C, back to the volume again. So it's a very easy menu to work with. So there's a lot to love with the Wacaco Pixapresso. It's worth mentioning, if you are going to do the full 120 ml shots, it takes a little bit longer to heat up, more 4 to 5 minutes depending on the ambient temperature, but it will do 3. So you will get 3 shots out of it between each charge. And there's some lovely little extras that also comes with a Pixapresso. It's worth noting, it also does pod coffee. It's got a little coffee capsule adapter in there, but also we have great accessories with the Pixapresso. I'll just bring these into shot. Nice travel cups, and also you can preload some shots ready, so when you are traveling you can just put them straight in and away you go. So to recap on the Pixapresso, we think this is a fantastic portable travel companion. It's one of the time-honoured manufacturers. It's got its great little digital touch-to-screen menu. It's got a good volume. One of the reasons we liked it in here, however, is another little trick up its sleeve that we were really impressed with, and that is that you can change the battery. So this comes with a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. However, if the battery is starting to go, you can just take this little silicone piece out here, and they've got a great video on how you do it. And you just need 2 screwdrivers, and you can take out the battery and put a new one in, and away you go again. So for longevity, portability, the Wacaco Pixapresso is quite hard to beat. If you enjoyed this video on the portable coffee makers and you'd like to see more videos like this, please remember to subscribe, like and subscribe to the channel, and any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, cheers.